Alright, I've got a video out there of a 45-second field strip takedown and reassembly with the function check. I've gotten my time down to 40 seconds. Seeing if I can do it on video. Alright. Got my timer right here, just so you know that it's the time hasn't been tampered with, it hasn't been fast forwarded to look like I'm doing it in 40 seconds when I'm not really doing that. Got the timer to make sure you guys know what's going on. It's real in real time. Alright, ready? Go. That's not gonna work. Already lost a bunch of time on that one. Alright, so just to let you guys know, I did kind of hurt my middle finger, and that's what I usually use to take out the pins. Now I have to use my index finger, so I keep messing up on the removal of the pins, but yeah, let's see if we can get a good time in here. Ready, go. Time. Oh, that's close. I think I was 0.5 seconds off, but yeah, I don't know. Let's try it one more time. Alright, that was pretty much 45 or 40 seconds, but I think I was like a half second over, but you can time it for yourselves to check it out. But let's see if I can do it one more time. Alright, go. Time. Done. 39.6 with function check, and that's with me actually stopping the timer myself, which probably took another 1/10 of a second, maybe 2/10 of a second. So I don't know. Time it yourself, guys. Let me know what you think. If you disagree with this time, comment, rate, whatever. But yeah, in my opinion, that was a pretty decent field strip in under 40 seconds. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.